Okay, so uploading your video. 23 minutes. Anyway, right, that was it. Yes, ta-da! That's my Eve character. Tried to make it look as much like me as possible. Whatever. I just jacked up the graphics to max, and I remember because of these new station improvements, the thing is much better. The graphics requirements. Man, I gotta do this at an angle. This damn flash is in the way. I can't turn it off while the video's running. Anyway, but yeah, I'm still getting better frames jacked up than that economy card I had with everything turned down low. It's pretty nice. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Oh, stop being so slow. There we go. Yeah. Thing's not conking out. It seems to be, I think I've been on more than 15 minutes. I'll have to see how the benchmarks hold up. Let's go take a look at my ship before I turn this one off. I can't navigate with one hand. Go there. This guy walks so slow. I need sprint in this. Lol. I'm trying to tilt my camera up instead of the in-game camera to see the ship. There we go. Yeah. The Paladin Marauder. Most excellent piece of mission hardware in Eve. Oh yeah. I would undock here real quick and then redock, because actually space in Eve is less intensive on the graphics card than actual character thing right now. So just gonna give it a little spin around just for the camera. I'm gonna redock and keep it stressing out the graphics card longer. Apologize about the big bright spot in the middle of the damned camera. I'm gonna have to turn that off for sure. And there we have it. Can't see the turret. Okay. Freaking. Yeah. Can't really see it very well there. See if I can get in. No. Stop. See if I can get in planet mode at least. Planets. How do you get in this custom? What? No. View. There we go. Let's get a nice planet view for you. Ta-da! All the clouds moving and things warbling. Very nice. Alright. Very good, very good. Okay. That's all for now. Video's already gotten too big. This is going to take a long time to upload too. Bah! Over and out.